Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. For this, the first step is that we will go in the App Store and just find the WhatsApp business and just check the latest version of this. Right now I will be on the old version, so make sure you will be just have to update it on this. So after updating, if you again cannot receive the verification code, we will go in the iPhone settings, just find the applications and just finding the WhatsApp business or WhatsApp Messenger. Just get in and make sure you will be just full access of contacts, and you will be also just live activities turn it on, background app refresh turn it on, or cellular data. So after these settings you will be able to fix verification code you will be have received easily. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.